Hi, students. Welcome to Mrs. Bean's language arts class. So all of your classes have a agenda that looks similar to the one that you see on the screen here. And on the screen, you'll see every single day, and you'll see lots of links. And these links are going to bring you to announcements, lessons for the day, for language arts, but also I have my fifth period class on here. So if you're not in my fifth period class, you can ignore it. However, most likely for the first 2 weeks, it'll be very similar to your fifth period class. So you can look at it if you'd like. All right, so when you access this agenda, you'll take a look at the announcements, and I'm going to skip over that. And then you'll go to today's lesson, click on that link, and this link will bring you to lots of other links. And these lots of other links will be assignments, there'll be explanations, there'll be tutorials, there'll be practice. I would like to start the first week and a half getting to know you. So I will be asking you a question of the day, which is what I typically do in my homeroom, but we don't have homerooms until you guys show back up in the brick and mortar classroom. And tomorrow, Wednesday, August 12th, the question will be, what is your favorite breakfast food? And mine happens to be avocado toast with hummus and anything else savory I can put on toast. I love it. All right, so we'll start off with that question, and I'll check in with all of you. And if you guys have any good questions that you would like to hear your classmates answer, you can always send them my way. All right, so that'll be the start of our class for the first week and a half or so. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, August 12th, or today, whenever you're watching this, you'll see our assignments. So we're going to watch Zoom expectations first, right? Because we have certain etiquettes that we need to follow in order to be civilized and conduct ourselves in a manner where we can all learn to the best of our abilities. And etiquette is just how you present yourself. And you'll see that there's a link to etiquette. And I often try to supply links to help you learn vocabulary. So take a look at them. And you see it is just your code of behavior. Okay, so there's that. So then you'll see Zoom expectations, and we'll go over that in class. And then here's another link, the language arts course outline. And so when you click on that, it brings you to my course outline. So we're going to go over that tomorrow. We're going to start, in a relaxed manner for the first few days. But eventually you're going to learn how to annotate. And annotating is just a really big word for making notes. However, it's making notes while being metacognitive, right? And metacognitive is just a big word for thinking about thinking, right? But let's use those big words because I think they do a good job of explaining what we mean, right? Don't pick any word, pick the word that you want to use to make your point. So we're going to annotate. But basically tomorrow or today, I just want you to see what you're going to be doing in language arts. And then when we annotate, you'll get an opportunity to ask questions and make comments. And so you see that I have made some highlights. And if you click on the highlights, it brings you to some information that can help you out with the assignment, but could also add more information. So this one is just about a heading, and there's a proper way to do a heading. It's in MLA format, which is the Modern Language Association. And the Modern Language Association is a style of writing, and it's the style of writing that our district chooses to use. And you'll notice in college, your college, if you go, may have a style of writing that they use for all their classes. Oftentimes it's MLA or it's APA, American Psychology Association. And there's one other one, which I've forgotten right now. Sorry. Anyway, so we're going to use MLA format. And you'll see over on the side here the order in which we'd like you to put your headings on your papers. Even if you're just turning in electronically, I'd really like your heading on it. I'd like you to practice that. All right. And then I gave you an example. So there's that. Whoops. Nope. I'm going to condense it. Oh, I just deleted it. Yeah, that wasn't good. Okay, I need to get that back. And let's see, here's a little lesson here. You can go back to your edit history, I believe, and you can, Mrs. Bean, what'd you do? All right. I just messed that up. All right. Oop. Okay, we'll get that back. Let's see. Can we do that? Can we revert back? No, we can't. All right. Boo. I'll do that over. All right. So I'm going to be resilient here, and I'm not going to get down about the screw up that I just made on my own document, and I'll fix it. All right. It'll take a little bit more time, but that's okay because that's what we do. All right. So basically, I just wanted to show you that you can go to your agenda for lots of resources and the lessons in case you miss a class or you need to refer back to the lessons of the day for more information. Um, this is the perfect place to go and the only place to go.